Hey, I'm back with one more day on my RMX250 1990 style. I got the rear brake attached, cleaned up, rebuilt. I haven't put the caliper back on because the wheel's not back on. But so now it's kind of coming together. I threw the front fender on just because I was tired of looking at empty forks. But anyhow, really kind of coming together nicely. It's all cleaned up and rebuilt. It's got a big empty hole right there. That is my problem, which is right here. So it's back together. All went back together really smoothly. I've shifted through a few of the gears and it's shifting real nicely. It was when I just cranked the last thread on that bolt and a couple of bolts up in here where this suddenly stiffened up, and it was moving freely. Now it's, as you can see, it doesn't quite spin like I would like. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to use the crank puller to see if maybe this isn't seated enough. Pull that through. Maybe I'll heat up this area with a heat gun. Maybe that bearing's kind of not quite there. I'm hoping I don't have to split it again. That would be the 15th time. But other than that, it's all ready. It's coming together. Just got to drop it in. I'm swapping parts from this bike to this one depending on which is the nicer piece. This bike runs perfectly. It's actually very fast and gnarly. But this bike is really the nicer bike once put all together. So I'll probably keep this one as a backup or just sell it once I'm done. It runs like a rock star, except for that 93 head that's sitting on there. Anyway, back to this bike. I'm close. I'm really close. I hope to be dropping this in soon, and then I'll drop this bad boy on. I rebuilt the power valve. That thing's ready to, it's going. Sorry for the crap camera. Power valve's looking rocking. New head. This thing's in really good shape. No scratches anywhere. It's a really pretty head. This thing is about ready to go. I'm close. I'm hoping to go on a ride for New Year's out to Lucerne, and that'll be where I get to test this bad boy out, I think. If this guy will hook me up. Alright, let me know what you think. Wait.